Hello, I'm Esmat Naikyar, the President and Chief Product Officer of Neural Cloud Solutions. Today, I would like to talk to you about our flagship product called MaxYield. MaxYield is a signal processing algorithm trained principally on ECGs to clean and quantify any noisy ECG of any leads. How does MaxYield work? After signing into our portal here, it takes you to our admin console. After signing in, you're able to see a very simple dashboard. And from here, you're able to generate API keys or do jobs directly here. In order to do a job, you're able to basically any researcher or anybody who has an ECG file is able to upload it here and is able to run it through our platform to be able to quantify it. After submitting it, it's queued up on a job, and in here it takes anywhere up to 30 seconds. To view the results, the first thing that is given is an ECG.edf, which is the clean ECG file. Now from here, you're also getting a PQRST, an intervals, and analysis JSON. I'll be able to download and show you exactly what each one of these mean. For a PQRST file, basically each one of these is a single heartbeat, and it quantifies the key features of a heartbeat. The start and finish of a P wave, the start and finish of a QRS, also referred to as an R, or the start and finish of a T wave. Thereon, we have the intervals data. The intervals data is basically a beat by beat RR, which gets you to a gold standard heart rate that is based on the QRS onset, P wave duration, PR segment, and QTCs, which are used in drug studies. And in the end, you also get a JSON, which is basically all the PQRST's intervals, plus events detected, such as AFib, tachycardia, bradycardia, PVCs, PACs, AV, first degree heart block, or pauses, and on. Now, what does all of this mean visually? Visually, we are able to use something called CardioYield. CardioYield is basically the visual representation of MaxYield. From here, if you sign into CardioYield, CardioYield is able to visualize what we just showed in MaxYield. It's been optimized for Holter's ambulatory ECGs. Here, I'm able to take one file and upload it. We will use the same file that we did on MaxYield. We can pick anything here. Obviously, it's not a real patient. Here with CardioYield, after the files are processed, visually, what is happening is you have the raw ECG. This is what MaxYield does, basically finds the P wave onset and offset, QRS onset and offset, and T wave onset and offset accurately within all of that noise. And then we also produce the AI optimized waveform, which is basically the clean ECG. Now, this software is able to read ambulatory ECGs and Holters and increase the throughput by 3x because of the way it's been designed and built and with the core engine of MaxYield running in background. You have a strip view if you want to do zoom in and view specific strips. And in the end, the most important part, which increases throughput, is the events page. All of the events are flagged, and any technician is able to go in and zoom in and look exactly if there are abnormalities that are true or not, and they're able to use this caliper tool to zoom in on specific spots. And from here, it is quite simple to look at some trends, which are extremely important. All of these heart rate trends mean something at different times of the day. And in the end, you're able to generate a PDF report, consolidate it, and give it to the referring cardiologist. This is how MaxYield works and the visual representation of MaxYield, which is CardioYield. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.